Day one for Armor Recognition editorial team at BIDEC 2017, the Bahrain International Defense Exhibition and Conference. Today is the first day. Armor Recognition is the official online show, daily news and web television for this event.
Well, Cambly Group is an armored truck manufacturer. We are specialized in three different types of armored vehicle. We are doing tactical vehicles, CIT vehicle, and also VIP vehicles. The new vehicle is called Black Wolf. This vehicle is based on the 2017 F550 platform. The reason why we use a 2017 platform is because it has a new front axle that has a capacity of over 7,000 pounds, which was never done before at Ford. And this is the reason why we always refuse to armor this platform to a B7 level, because most of the people that have done that have created an overweight vehicle on the front axle. And this has created a lot of issues. We had a lot of feedback from customers that have had a lot of issues with the front axle. So for us, it's very important to have a truck that is fully functional and respects the capacity of the chassis from the moment the chassis is born. So this vehicle, once armored with our new, the way we armored this vehicle with high-level ballistic steel, we are saving close to 1,000 kilograms compared to equivalent vehicles in the market. So this vehicle is faster, it's more agile, stronger, lighter. So it has everything that the clients are looking for. Thunder 2 is the vehicle we have sold in North Africa. This is an evolution of Thunder 1, which has been sold extensively in Canada for tactical armored force. And now from this vehicle we have created Thunder 2 that has a better blast protection and has also triple air conditioning system, fully insulated for operation comfort. Middle East and Africa are two territories that we affect particularly, and I would say that it's been very successful for us to try and show our products here. We have been successful in some sales in North Africa, and also in the Middle East we are finalizing testing to deliver vehicles shortly.
Leonardo is a group of now 46,000 people operating all over the world with four main establishments in Italy, UK, US and Poland. But we have a presence with facilities, office in more than 150 countries in the world, and our products are in service today on those countries. This is an M60A3 that we modernized, and this is a prototype. By improving a number of capabilities. The first one is the hunting capabilities and killing capabilities. By introducing a larger gun, bigger gun over there, the 120 millimeter, while the current standard is 105. We introduced a capability to shoot in day and night in fixed and movement configuration, by adding a new fire control system. With all those stuff are produced by Leonardo. We also introduced a small caliber gun on top of it with it does a double function as a panoramic sighting system and self-defense for, let's say, not EV threats around the vehicle. To support the new system on board, we also have prepared an upgrade pack for the engine, improving the power of the vehicle itself, of a couple of hundred horses power. Another optional package we are able to provide is the improvement in terms of protection of the vehicle. Protection is intended as the protection of the body, lateral protections, as well as you see in the front part of the vehicle a specific customized shape of the protection, and on the back side the protection for RPG possible ammunitions.
Alacran is today the world's lightest 120 millimeters mortar carrier system. And this system has been developed by one of our companies that we have invested with. The name of the company is NTGS. And they have produced this amazing system that is able to operate a 120 millimeters mortar on a very light vehicle like this Toyota Land Cruiser 79. We have developed our own firing control with a ballistic system. The system itself is integrated with a forward observer system as well. We have developed integrating components of different companies, and as well it's integrated using our UAVs systems like the Atlantic or the Tucan. In the Alacran we have 3 controls, all of them linked with the same computer, and from here he can select the targets, he can order the deploy or the retract of the system and aim in the system. The system has been designed to be operated by 2 people. It has a loading of 40 rounds. For this vehicle. In a larger vehicle we can have up to 80 rounds, it depends on the payload of the vehicle. You can choose if you want to put a vehicle between or a recoil absorber or whatever device, or it's better to throw all this energy to the ground. This is what we have done with this system that deploys the mortar, places it firmly into the ground, and from there it has the automatic aiming capabilities. The vehicle has stopped and started deploy 15 seconds ago. So he's preparing and selecting the target, he's preparing the ammunition. Now he's aiming the target, the system is showing charge number 5, red light, so still is not ready to fire. You see, 5 charges. As soon as it changes to green, that will be now, he can shoot. Okay, here all the time. So he's shooting, after shooting is red again. So in 3 seconds we will recover the aiming again and he can shoot again. So now we will have 2 rounds on the air. The flying time of this round with charge number 5 is 50 seconds. So we have both rounds flying, and now they are retracting the system.
My name is Wasim Pasha Tajammul. I'm the chairman of Cavalier Group. We are from Pakistan. We are into vehicle manufacturing, vehicle designing and manufacturing, and we have brought 2 vehicles over here at BIDEC to demonstrate over here to the Middle East clients. We are in a joint venture with Heavy Industries Texila. Cavalier Group designs and develops the prototypes, take them to the testing stage, and once the vehicles are qualified and once we get orders for serial production, then in collaboration with Heavy Industries Texila, we manufacture them in their facilities.
Hamza 6x6, which you see, is relatively a new project. We started last year with our Hamza 8x8, which we launched in Pakistan. And this vehicle, Hamza 6x6, has been specifically designed for the Gulf market. This series is a heavy chassis-based vehicles. We are offering very high protection levels in terms of ballistic, in terms of mines protection. It is a big vehicle with a lot of volume, internal volume, so you can have easily 10 to 12 people inside. You can put a very heavy weapon system on this vehicle as well. So Hamza series is basically chassis-based, heavy MRAP type of vehicles. So these vehicles are sort of combination of an MRAP and an armored personnel carrier. This is Hamza 6x6 basic layout. This is a layout of an armored personnel carrier. There is a driver and a commander on the front, and there are 10 troops facing each other. Each row has a 5 crew. You can see behind each seat there is a glass for the sighting, and you have the shooting ports as well. You have 2 escape hatches in the front, 2 in the rear. This is a mine-protected vehicle. So first of all, if you see the seats here, all the seats have a mine blast mitigation system. So that is, in case of a mine blast, these seals help a great deal in saving your lives. 6x6 vehicle with 500 horsepower with independent suspension, giving you level 4 protection, giving you a chance to put a heavy weapon. We believe this is a very ideal platform for the regional market. Interceptor is basically a light protected vehicle. It's basically for security purposes. It's built on a commercial engine, commercial chassis, based on LC79 Toyota. It has a V8 turbo diesel engine, and we are offering 2 armored capsules on that. One is the level B6 and one is level B7. And we made this vehicle specifically for the Gulf region as well, because we see there's a lot of demand for such vehicles in the Gulf region, in North Africa. So we are trying to capture the market here with this vehicle.
We have a very powerful boat, very capable, extremely fast, extremely strong, able to rely on different operations, and it's got the ability to be land-based, which means it's got a landing gear. The landing gear has got a ground pressure equivalent to a human being. It can go on any terrain. It could be mud, it could be soft sand, it can be sleeps, it could be rocks. It will crawl, it will park. One of the great advantages, it doesn't need any infrastructure. So the boat could be based anywhere, increasing the deterrence effect. It is so easy for a normal boat to be known as outside or inside, where a boat like this would have the ability to be landed anywhere and increase the deterrence effect. The landing gear is operated by hydraulics. All the hydraulic hoses are over the waterline. This ram is directly connected to the hydraulic station, and you got 4 rams. Each of the rams got a capacity of 8 tons. The total weight of the boat is 3 tons, so we're overrated. And then it rotates the landing gear all the way up. When it's down, inside the landing gear, you have a sprocket. This sprocket is directly into a hydraulic motor. This hydraulic motor rotates and spins the track. Very simple. Very easy in terms of maintenance, very efficient. We have a powerboat that is extremely performant, 600 horsepower total, giving the ability of the boat to reach up to 50 knots, which is very, very fast. Reaches 50 knots in less than 30 seconds and can be deployed from land to sea in less than 1 minute and 12 seconds between the time you get on the boat and the time you get full speed. So the decking can be adapted to different missions. As it is now, you have a full group for fast intervention. It can be changed to cargo lashing, or it could be adapted for safety, search and rescue, and we can actually put stretchers. And the operation for the driver is very simple. A simple press on one button will start the engine, and 2 little joysticks will make the driving. Only 3 buttons are needed to operate this boat.
The most important thing with the seats is that they work with the human muscular response system. So the seat automatically adapts to the weight of the occupant, meaning that you don't have to adjust it for each person, but the seat does this by itself. The seat takes up impact both vertically and oblique impact, so it flexes to make sure that you will travel towards the impact instead of getting side whiplashes.